How to use back tap to turn on flashlight on iPhone. There are two quick methods you can use, and both make it much faster to access the torch. The first method is using back tap. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Touch, then scroll to the bottom and select Back Tap. Choose either double tap or triple tap, then select Flashlight from the list. Now, whenever you double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone, the flashlight will turn on or off instantly. If back tap doesn't work reliably on your device, there's another method that's even faster. Simply say, "Hey Siri, turn on the flashlight." To turn it off, say, "Hey Siri, turn off the flashlight." This lets you control the flashlight completely hands-free, without unlocking your iPhone or opening Control Center. And that's how you can quickly turn on the flashlight without tapping the flashlight icon on your iPhone.